If you still have not yet filed your taxes, April 18th is the federal tax deadline. KIMT News 3's Sananda McCall is sharing tips she's learned from a tax information officer that may help you avoid penalties. Sananda.
Alex, I spoke with the Jackson Hewitt Chief Tax Information Officer, Mark Stieber, who says it is important to properly take care of what he describes as your single largest financial transaction. Since it's so close to crunch time, Stieber recommends an electronic filing to ensure you're able to meet the deadline, and even says selecting an electronic refund would be most convenient versus waiting for the paper check. Getting in the habit of filing Filing early ensures accuracy and information with ample time left over and avoids the possibility of the information being stolen, thus creating a multitude of issues, including filing penalties. Stieber says the IRS is in the business of getting their money, so if you leave off any important information, not only can you expect to pay back, but you could also lose out on a return. He tells more on what to do if you need an extension and how to detect tax scams.
There is an automatic extension under the tax law. You'll either file a paper copy or email one in, a 4868, automatic extension of time to file, and a similar one for your state if you have a state income tax. Now, the important thing to know, it's an extension of time to file. That is to mail your paperwork in by October 16th. If they won't sign it, that's the biggest red flag. All professional tax preparers have to sign and put their personal tax identification number on that tax return. If you get any kind of squishy story on why that's not required for you this time, that's a lie.
Stieber's tips for preparing for the next filing date: do a mid-year to year-end check up to avoid refund shock and balance due trauma, and also consider adjusting withholding amounts with your employer.
All right, thank you.